If you too have some shelves that could use a fresh look without breaking the bank, let's head to the thrift store to stock up. I'm on the lookout for neutral accessories that would go well with my rustic wood shelving. I'm first measuring the lamp, then readjusting the top shelf to make sure it fits. Next up, I'm going to do a small mini makeover on the bulletin board. Choosing Fusion Mineral Paint in Coal Black with a small angled paintbrush, I'm painting the inside of the bulletin board black, which really freshens up the look quickly. Next up, I'm measuring the height and width of the top part of the shelving unit to create an interesting feature. Grabbing an old bulletin board from my stash, I'm transferring the measurements onto the board, then cutting it with an X-Acto knife. You can also use foam core board or even paint directly on the wall if desired. I'm now choosing to paint the board with the same color wall paint so the two blend flawlessly. You can also go bolder with a totally different color if preferred. To quicken up the dry time for the next step, I'm propping the board in front of a fan. Now that the board is dry, I'm positioning a stencil called Retro Star from Funky Junk's Old Sign Stencils in the middle of the board. Choosing Fusion Mineral Paint in Coal Black once again, I'm prepping the stencil brush by offloading it until the brush feels dry. This ensures your images are left with no paint bleed. I'm now tapping the paint through the stencil until the desired coverage is met. I find spreading the paint all over best to start with, then doubling up the coverage second, which offers the crispest images since the brush becomes a little drier. I'm working the pattern from all directions until the entire board is filled. I'm now outfitting the stencil board onto the back of the shelving by slipping it inside the wood gaps to hold it in place. If your bookshelf is solid, you can even tape the board to the back of yours. Now it's time to decorate the shelves. With all my thrift store finds on the floor, I'm arranging the shelves in an attractive way. The lamp is being placed at the very top so it casts more light in the room. On the bottom shelf, the books are being stacked inside a vintage drawer. And the end result is a charming shelving arrangement that really draws your eye in. The stenciled backdrop really adds a splash of added interest, which is of course super easy to remove when desired as well. And keeping all the arrangements super neutral themed with wood, white, black, and plants keeps the shelving look cohesive and clutter-free.